Hey guys, it's the Henna Girl and welcome to my YouTube channel. Also, my first video ever. Honestly, I am not really sure what I am doing right now, but some of you guys may have seen me on Instagram. But for those who haven't, hi, my name is Sadia and I have linked down my Instagram account below for you guys to check out my henna artwork. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys on how to draw a very basic but elegant mandala henna design, which you guys can also try because this will be recorded step by step. Also, if you guys would love to see more henna tutorials or anything stuffs related to weddings in Malaysia, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, I think let's go. You can simply get this 2D printable hand from Google. Mine was from Shutterstock. And then I draw the axis across the hands and started to draw a dot at the middle of the axis. Next, I draw a circle on the outer layer of the dots, and this process repeat twice. If you guys are interested to purchase any of my henna products, you guys can check it out at thgshop.co or just simply click the link down below. And from there, I started to draw this simple petals-like design, and I will make sure that all lines are of the same length. If there's any smudges, you can use the tip of your comb to correct the error. Now I'll be drawing dots on each of the axes, also another 4 dots intersecting the axis. Draw a semicircle-like design over each of the dots, whereby the points started in between of each dots. This process will also be repeated twice. And again, if you find any smudges, be sure to correct them with the tip of your comb. To achieve that smooth looking design, you have to make sure that all designs are interconnected and to not leave behind any unconnected lines. So this is the trickiest part of the design, and as you can see here, what I'm trying to draw, this motif, we call it as leaf gulf. I draw the gulf leaf 8 times in between all the circles. In the next video, I'll be uploading a tutorial on how you can achieve this perfect looking gulf leaf design. After I'm done with that, I'll start to draw a shape that takes the form of the gulf. This petal-like design will be drawn twice, but the first layer of the lines will be drawn thicker than the second layer of the lines. If you guys are wondering, yes, I am still using the same henna cone. The only trick I pull to create different thickness of lines is by controlling the pressure from my hand. Oftentimes, people love thinner henna lines. However, the importance of thicker line is to create a statement into the design. We have come to the crucial part of this design. Remember this leaf gulf design? You will have to draw 3 of them in between of the petals. This process repeat 8 times, whereby you have to draw them in between all the petals. There are actually various techniques on how you can draw this golf design. But as for me, I prefer to draw the golf design by creating a dot first. I think this is one of the toughest motifs ever for any henna beginners, so do not rush yourself. Do take your time and create that perfect looking golf. We are now reaching the final step of this design. To make the design look sweet and subtle, I will add some detailing on the ring finger. For this detailing, you can be as creative as you want. But as for me, I'll be drawing this very common but sweet detailing, which is very famous among brides in Malaysia. Since I wanted this design to look feminine and elegant, I will add this detailing, which I simply call it as the chain. This is also one of the tricks to make the hands look longer and slimmer. To finish it up, I continue drawing the chain across the wrist of the hand to make it look like a bracelet. Finally, I add on another lines of chain, and there you go, a very simple but delicate mandala henna design. So that is all for this week, and I really hope you guys love the video as much as I do, because honestly, henna art is very satisfying, and I really hope to share with you guys a lot more tutorials in the next future. So until then, see you again. Bye!